Hi, in this video we will study the perimeter. We will know the meaning of perimeter is what, and we will study how can we find the perimeter of a polygon. And we will study how can we find the perimeter of the square and rectangle. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a polygon. If we have a polygon like a triangle and we have its sides 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So to find its perimeter, just add all sides, it will be 24 centimeter. If we have a quadrilateral with sides 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So to find its perimeter, just add all sides, it will be 16 centimeter. But how can we find the perimeter of the square? If we have a square here, the square all sides are equal. So to find its perimeter, just its side length times 4. 4 is what? Is the number of sides. So it will be L times 4. Note, if we have the perimeter of the square, how can we find its side length? So its side length equals its perimeter divided by 4. For example, we have here a square. All sides are the same, each of them equals 5 centimeter. So find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter equals 4 times L, so it will be 4 times 5 equals what? 20 centimeter. But he said find the side length of a square, its perimeter equals 28 centimeter. To find its side length, just we will divide the perimeter by 4. L equals B divided by 4, so L equals 28 divided by 4 equals what? Yes, equals 7 centimeter. So its side length equals 7 centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle. If we have a rectangle here, we have two dimensions. Each two opposite sides are equal in length. So to find the perimeter, just we will find the sum of its dimensions times 2. So we can know, or we can say, the perimeter of the square equal the double of the sum of its dimensions. Length plus width times 2. Note, but we studied before that length plus width equals what? Equals half perimeter. So we can find length half perimeter minus width. We can replace each other, so width equals half perimeter minus length. So don't forget this note. Example, find the perimeter of the opposite figure. The opposite figure is what? Is a rectangle. Its dimensions 8 and 3 centimeter. So B equals length plus width times 2. We have here the main relation. So B equals 8 plus 3 times 2, 11 times 2 equals 22 centimeter. Another example, a rectangle with a perimeter 100 centimeter. So we have here the perimeter. If its width equals 18 centimeter, what is the width? To find the width, we use the relation here. The relation is what? Length plus width equals half perimeter. So let length equals x, so x plus 18 equals half 100. So we form it here an equation. We can solve the equation to find x. So x plus 18 equals half 100 equals 50. By subtracting 18 from each side, so we have x equals 32. So the length equaled 32 centimeter. Another example, Aicel is making party decorations. She draws a regular octagon with the same perimeter as the square. How long is each side of regular octagon? We have here a square and octagon. The square was side length 12 inch. He said, how long is each side of the regular octagon equals what? First step, just find the perimeter of the square. Equals what? We studied before, 4 times L. So 4 times 12, it will be 48 inch. Now, we know that here from the question that the perimeter of the octagon is equal to the perimeter of the square. So, the perimeter of the regular octagon equals 48 inch. To find its side length, just we will divide the perimeter by 8. 8 is what? The number of sides. So its side length equals 6 inch. Now the answer is 6 inch. You can do this exercise by your own. Number 1, find the perimeter of a square with side length 9 centimeter. Number 2, a square with perimeter 4.8 meter, find its length. Number 3, a rectangle with dimensions 3.3 centimeter, 7.7 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Number 3 or number 4, the perimeter of the opposite rectangle is 42 centimeter. Its width is equal to 7 centimeter. What's the length of the rectangle? Number 4, the perimeter of regular hexagon is 39.6 centimeter. What's the length of its side? Thank you for watching. See you soon, guys.